Welcome, Escambia County teachers. We all know that timely communication about academic progress is key to student success. This short video will demonstrate how to effectively communicate grades to parents and students utilizing the Focus Gradebook Average Report, along with the Focus Communication module. The student data team will guide you through the process of using Focus to send an email template regarding grades, ensuring that parents and students stay informed. Navigating from your Focus portal, you'll go to the Reports, District Reports, Grades, and then Gradebook. Next, you will select the report to run on your students. For more information, you can select the description located in the center column, where you'll find a detailed document and video tutorial on how to run the current Gradebook Averages report. Select the Run icon, and then the quarter you want to view. Then you're going to select the Run again. Here's the tip. Make sure your filters are turned on in order to use this feature. You will use the filter function in the percentage column. For this first example, we will look for our students who have made greater than or equal to a 90. This will show your students who are in the 90% or above club. Then you will select the message icon beside message to populate these students into the Focus Communication module, where you can compose a message or use a template. Now this video will show how to use an already created template that has been saved. Notice there are two links available. Each one does the same thing. For this demonstration, we have already created a template, so we will select the Use a Template. Select the appropriate one to pull into your email for your students. Here we have our template for the 90% or above club. You'll want to review your template to make sure it says exactly what you want it to say. Then you're going to select from the pull down to send this to students and primary contacts. You may want to check the secure email, which requires the recipient to log into Focus to view the message. As long as the message does not have any personally identifiable information, you do not need to send this as secure. You can also check the push notification for those who have the mobile app to be alerted. When your email is ready, either schedule it to go out on a certain date or time, or you can send it immediately. Now let's go back and take a look at the report for current gradebook averages one more time to send a message to our students with failing grades. Using the filter this time, we will select less than or equal to 59. Again, you will select the icon by messages to send a message only to these students. Find the template you want to use. Here we have our failing grades template. Make sure it says exactly what you want it to say. Notice that this one has the title, Mr., Miss, Mrs., and then the last name of the contact. We've also personalized the fields to include the student's name throughout the email and added a teacher's name at the bottom. Again, we want to send this to the students and primary contacts, and then we can go ahead and check the push notification. Select Send, and after you send the message, you will see what the message looks like to the student or to the parent or guardian. Notice that the primary contact and the student name have automatically been inserted because of the embedded fields that were used in Focus. Very similar to sending a blind copy, only the students and primary contacts will see this email, and if there is another recipient, each email is personalized directly to them, as Focus will personalize each student's message based on the fields that were chosen for the template. So in this video, we've walked you through the steps of using a template to send a message about grades by using the current Gradebook Averages report in Focus. By maintaining open lines of communication with parents and students, you can support academic progress and success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch the video linked here on how to create templates, and subscribe to this playlist for more videos that support using the Focus platform.